In this video, I would like to demonstrate how to fix the loose steering wheel on Volvo. We're working on Volvo V70XE, but this tutorial can be applied for all P2 Volvo chassis, and our steering wheel has a play. As you can see, I'm wiggling from side to side and steering wheel has a play. That's potentially dangerous. And because we're going to work around the airbags, disconnect your battery terminal for your safety. And if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell and you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much for that. And let's get back to our airbag and steering wheel. Pull your steering wheel down and extend it all the way out for extra room to work on a steering wheel. This particular motor has square type airbag. Turn your key to the on position and place the steering wheel vertically like this. With the airbag like this, square type, we're using a T30 Torx. There's a 2 Torx screws. You need to undo those ones, but if your Volvo has a triangular shaped airbag, you just need to pry the lock mechanism be on the back side of the steering wheel to unlock that. It's pretty simple. There's tons of video on YouTube, and that's easy, same way as taking those Torx screws. There's another Torx screw, lose that and take that screw out. Okay, we'll remove those 2 screws. Now pull gently your airbag out, and it's why I recommended you to disconnect the battery terminal just in case you want to be on a safe side. And we don't need to disconnect the airbag, and that bolt got loose. Look at that. That's guy, it's 18 millimeters bolt. That bolt needs to be tight, torqued properly, and there's a play. Can you see that? Okay, that needs to be tight. We leave the airbag connected. We don't need to disconnect all those electrical. Just leave like that. Take the bolt out. We are going to apply Loctite thread locker. Make sure it will be secured properly. Yep. That's a kind of annoying issue when you have that play, and it costs quite a bit of money if you're going to the dealer, but that's very easy to do at home. Thread locker blue, medium strength, good enough. And this video is only for demonstration as how I fixed this issue on my car, and I just would like to share. But you always guide refer to the owner's shop repair manual, and yeah, you'll be okay. I mean, idea is very simple. Just place that bolt, screw it in, and tight with a ratchet. First 18 millimeters, and it will stay tight. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Is nothing very complicated. Now pull your key from the ignition and lock the steering wheel, and now we're going to torque the bolt. I torque the bolt to 25 foot-pounds of torque and then another 30 degrees. Yeah, it's what I did. It worked well for me. And now time to place the airbag in place and put those 2 torque screws back. Thank you so much guys again for watching. If it helped you, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you would like to support my small YouTube hobby channel. Yeah, go and watch more videos. Thank you so much again, and stay safe. See you soon. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Take care.